Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem a Roblox code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Roblox in any of your browser. Simply go to the search bar and then type in roblox.com, and then you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the option that says continue in browser, and once you do that you'll be seeing login to Roblox on your screen. Now all you gotta do is enter in your username or email or your phone number and then type in your password and then tap on login. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the option that says gift cards right here. Tap on it, and once you tap on it you'll be redirected to the gift card page. Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on this button that says redeem on the top right corner, and once you tap on it, here you'll be seeing the redeem Roblox codes on your screen. Now all you gotta do is just simply enter in the code, and once you have done that, simply tap on redeem and you'll be able to redeem a Roblox code. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.